Thanks for being here. Hit that like button and subscribe for more chess insights. Pawn to e4 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Knight Opening.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Knight Opening, normal variation.
Pawn to d4 is the best move.
Pawn to a6 is the best move.
Bishop to f4 is best.
Knight to f6 is best. This attacks the pawn. This develops a knight.
This is a book move. The opening is called Ruy Lopez, Morphe defense.
Bishop to e7.
Rook to e1 is the best move.
Pawn to b5.
Bishop to b3 is best.
Kingside castle.
Pawn to c3 is best.
Pawn to d5 is excellent. This offers a trade. Knight to f5 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the knight.
Knight captures on d5 is best.
Knight catches on e5.
Knight captures on e5 is the best move.
Rook captures on e5 is best.
Pawn to c6 is excellent. Knight to f6 is best.
Rook to a1.
Bishop to d6 is good. Bishop to b7 is best. This defends a pawn and rook on c6 and e8. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal.
Pawn to d3 is good. Pawn to d4 is best.
Bishop to f5 is the best move.
Knight to d2 is the best move.
Rook to e8 is the best move.
Pawn to g3 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to h3.
Bishop catches on d5.
Pawn captures on d5 is excellent. Bishop to g4 is best. This attacks the queen. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to e3 is best. This develops a bishop.
Bishop captures on d3 is best. This captures a free pawn.
Queen captures on d5 is best. This creates a fork on bishop and bishop. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This captures a free pawn.
Rook from file to d8 is best. This defends a bishop on d6. This develops a rook.
Queen to f3 is the best move.
Bishop to g6 is the best move.
Knight to d2 is best. This defends a queen on f3. This develops a knight.
Pawn to f4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the bishop.
Queen to d5 check is best. This creates a fork on bishop and king. This move gains a tempo.
King to h8.
Queen captures on d3 is the best move.
Pawn captures on g3 is best. This is a trade. This creates a checkmate threat.
Pawn captures on g3.
Bishop captures on g3 is brilliant. This attacks the rook. This sacrifices the bishop. This creates a checkmate threat. Bishop captures on g3 is brilliant. This attacks the rook. This sacrifices the bishop. This creates a checkmate threat.
Queen to e2 is the best move.
Bishop captures on e1 is the best move.
Rook catches on e1.
Rook from file d to e8.
Rook to f1 is excellent. This offers a trade. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Knight to f1 is best.
Rook captures on f1, check is the best move.
Knight captures on f1 is best. The game is over. It ended in a draw.